How's it going, everyone? All helpful content here, back with another video on demand. Today I'm going to walk you through the Anbernic RG556 model on how to adjust your backlights and turn them off, the strobing effect here that I have. But before I do so, for all the newcomers that are watching my channel, this is all helpful content. What I do is I provide DIYs, tutorials, things of that nature for you to do it yourself, you to learn it yourself, and not have to pay somebody to do it for you. And, I go through my own studying and learning and countless hours of figuring things out, and I put it in a video where you can learn it in a matter of minutes, seconds, what have you. Now, today, this is the Anbernic RG556 device for the newcomers. Again, this device is fully loaded. It's a intuitive model, kind of like a Game Boy device, but more user-friendly, intuitive, and more modern. So with this handheld device here, what you can actually do is not only can you play your favorite Game Boy, GameCube, Game Boy Classic, Game Boy Color, Atari, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Sega Dreamcast, Xbox, Wii, Nintendo 64. Did I say that? I probably did. I mean, you could play all the classics. You could play the newer stuff too. As you can see here, I have the Xbox Game Pass Cloud that I could utilize and play my favorite games that are currently on gen right now. This also, like I said, is very intuitive, user-friendly, with modern designs where you can now browse websites, go on, any website that you want. You can search stuff. You can also watch YouTube. It has a YouTube built into it, listen to FM radio, a calendar. Very, very modern designed technology, newer design technology that you can utilize in your favor to browse like a regular computer, but you can also play games on it like a regular computer, and it's all on a handheld format. Now, let's get to the itty-gritty, the focal point of this video here today. Again, if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I have countless videos, car hacks, computer science, computer software, upgrades, repairs, you name it. Whatever I can think of, I will put on my videos. So this channel definitely comes in handy to those that like to learn things and do things themselves. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. That's all I ask. All right, let's get right into it. Here we go. So to turn off the lighting, we're gonna scroll down. Okay, we're gonna hold it down again, and it's gonna create these two windows, and we're gonna scroll to the left. Once you scroll to the left, you see ambient lighting. You're gonna click and hold. Okay, once you click and hold, it's gonna pull up this ambient lighting layout. This layout here basically allows you to adjust your lighting. Now, you got your brightness setting here. You can turn your brightness sharp if you want to light up your room more and you don't want to turn the room light on. This will give you enough light in the dark and to be able to see your buttons. Or if you're more pleasing of the aesthetics and you want to see through nice Anbernic device with the light, it just creates that pop. Looks very, very sleek and nice. Now, if you don't like the strobing effect, you can click the light mode here and it'll just keep the light on. And again, you can adjust the brightness on that. If you do like the strobing effect, you got the fast mode, which I was just in. This creates a very immersive gaming experience with the strobing effect if you're playing those fast-paced games. If you like it slow, you can turn it down. This will just slow down the breather mode here. And then very slow, if you like the breather mode, but you're getting too distracted. To some people, they don't like all the flare and shininess surrounding what they're immersed in. I personally do like it. I like to keep it here, but sometimes I do turn it off as well. This device is also a sensored battery saving device. So when you have your ambient lighting on, it will function to your desires. But once the battery gets under 20%, the ambient lighting will shut itself off to save battery. Now, if you want the ambient lighting completely off, you can do so just by scrolling down, holding, and turning it off here. Okay, you can do it that way, or you can just scroll down, swipe to the left, click it, and you can turn it off that way. So there you have it. Now you know how to customize your ambient lighting, and you know how to turn it off in 2 different ways. Hope this video has helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I do pay attention to my comments. So if there's any videos, any requests, anything I can do to assist you guys, I'm here to help. Again, this is all helpful content. Until the next video, have a great day.